If you want to connect multiple speakers in one setup, daisy chaining can work well, but only if you do it the safe way. Daisy chaining means linking speakers one after another, so one source can feed sound to multiple speakers in the same setup. Here is the quick rule. Series raises impedance, parallel lowers it, and powered speakers with THRU outputs are the easiest to chain safely. Before you wire anything, check impedance. In series, speaker impedance adds up. In parallel, it drops, which can stress or even damage the amplifier if the load gets too low. With active speakers, the process is simple. Connect your mixer or source to the first speaker input, then use the output or THRU port to feed the next speaker. Keep cable runs short, use the right cable gauge, power everything off before wiring, and stop if you hear distortion, see clipping, or notice overheating. The bottom line is that you can daisy chain speakers safely, as long as the wiring method matches your gear and the total impedance stays within your amp's safe range.